How are you guys? I'm so happy to see you again in the fourth video of my point pen calligraphy series. And I'm so excited that I received quite a few good comments saying that the way I demonstrate on how to join the letters together is very useful. One of my subscribers even sent me the pictures of her practice. Look at this, isn't it amazing? Well, today, we continue to write another sentiment, beautiful. From this word, you'll be able to learn how to write capital B and some new lowercases E, U, T, F, and L. The guideline I used here is 5.5 mm wide with a slant angle on 55 degrees. You can download this guideline from my website at www.zizicalligraphy.com. Well, let's get started. Capital B. As you can see here, I've tilted the paper with a slant on 90-degree angle against my body. That would help you to achieve the slant angle more easier and more consistent when you write a word or a paragraph. Okay, let's start with the S curve. I remember it took me a while to master this stroke, so here's a way may help you getting it right. First, draw a line like this. It will give you an idea where to start the stroke and where the touching point is on the baseline when you're finishing it. Also, pay attention that the swell part should be straight on the slant like this. The next stroke is to make a clockwise oval like this, and then continue with another oval. In the nice capital B, you should be able to see 3 ovals, 1, 2, and 3. Lowercase e. Start with the entrance stroke to the middle of the base and the header line. And the second stroke begins at the end of the entrance stroke like this. The small loop should be within half of the oval like in here. Lowercase a. We have done this letter in the word amazing in our last video. It's an oval and an undertone next to it. The center of the oval should be on the slant. Lowercase u. Start with the entrance stroke to the 2/3 of the X height and follow with 2 undertones like this. The downstrokes should be parallel to each other on the slant. Both undertones should be similar in size. Lowercase t. Start with the entrance stroke from the baseline to the header line, and then a long undertone begins at the first ascending line and finish with a crossbar here like this. Lowercase I. Start with the entrance stroke, and then an undertone with a round dot placed on top of it. Lowercase f. Start the entrance stroke to the header line. Then an ascending stem loop. Finish with a special exit stroke like a little horizontal V begins at the base like so. Lowercase l. Start with the entrance stroke to the header line. Then an ascending stem loop with the bottom of the undertone like this. Now that you know all the letters in beautiful, I'll show you how to join them together. Again, I deliberately didn't fill up the ink into the nib, so you can see how the nib works on each stroke. Always think of the next letter while you're writing, so you can plan on how you go with the exit stroke, which is also the entrance stroke for the next letter. swatches once again with the ink fully loaded into the nib. And this is how I would write beautiful. That's it for today. The next word I'm gonna show you how to write is congratulations. It's a long word, but don't forget we have already learned many of those letters, except capital C and other lowercases O, N, R, and S. Hope you like this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe. There are many more videos coming. See you next time. Be chill.